Hey guys, so Dollar Tree haul today. What else, right? I know it seems like I shop there 90% of the time now, but there are so many fun, cool things there all the time, and it's really saves a lot of money. But does it? Because I may not be spending a lot per item, but volume wise, if you add it all up, it probably ends up being about the same. No, I don't think so. Definitely spending less money. But I'm going to start by showing you the things first that are not makeup because they're still fun and I still want to show them to you. So let's start with clothing. You know I've been buying the t-shirts. Well, I bought the MTV one and this is what it looks like. Now, I don't know about you, but I remember when MTV launched like it was yesterday. August 1st, 1981. And my friends and I were obsessed with watching the music videos. And the music was so good back then. That's when like new wave music was popular. And just right off the top of my head, I can remember so many of the videos that launched at that time. And so I had to get this because nostalgia wise, it was something that I have very fond memories of. Speaking of things that I have very fond memories of, I was so excited because, I've been buying the fun, funky socks. I found the Pop Tarts ones. This was my favorite food when I was a kid. I was obsessed with Pop Tarts. I ate them for breakfast every morning. Not the most nutritious breakfast in the world, but delicious. So definitely had to get those. And then speaking of things that are nutritious or not nutritious but delicious, I've got the Kraft macaroni and cheese ones. It's not so much that macaroni and cheese is bad for you, but that powder that they put in the box has got anti-caking agent in it, and that's really bad for you. So I don't eat any of these things that I'm showing you the socks of anymore, but instead of eating the unhealthy foods, I'm just wearing socks instead and thinking back to when I could or did eat bad stuff. York peppermint patties. Mmm. Feel the sensation. And then I have some Snoopy sweatpants, and now I have Snoopy socks. Um, this is Snoopy playing tennis. So, yeah, I used to read those Peanuts comic books when I was a kid. And then we have Pringles potato chips. This is probably, well, I was going to say this is the only product that still sells well, but no, I'm sure Kraft macaroni and cheese still sells well to this day. But, okay, so that's what I got for socks. And then I have some pens. Uh, they have like fake gemstones on the top of them, and these pens write really nice. I was surprised. And you twist the gemstone back and forth depending on, if you want to retract the pen or write with it. This one is just a plain purple. This one is blue with hearts on it. But yeah, I was surprised that these write so nice. And these are on an end cap in the beauty section with a sign that says novelty pens. And I also got these gummy bear pencils. And they are scented. And you know what they smell like? They smell like those perfumes, those rollerball perfumes that I bought from the beauty section. They smell just like them. They're fruity scented. Now, what's cool about these pencils is, see that button? When you push that button, the lead comes down out of the pencil. So you just push it until you get the amount of pencil that you want. But this is like very thin, and obviously you don't have to sharpen it. It just gives you the lead by pushing the buttons, so they write better than like an ordinary pencil would. And the only thing is you're going to go through the lead quickly, but they're so cute that even when the chamber is empty, you know, you can keep it as a decoration. And then I bought some erasers, and they came in a 4-pack, and I saw these and I said, oh, those are so pretty. I thought that that pattern was like part of the eraser. It's not. It's a piece of paper that's wrapped around it. So really, it's just a plain white eraser. So this actually comes off. But yeah, I thought it was part of the eraser, but oh well. And then, you know, I make my own jewelry. Well, the organizers that they have to put the jewelry in that I've been buying from Michael's and Hobby Lobby are quite expensive just for any kind of organizer that you buy over there. Well, Dollar Tree has these in the Crafters Square section, and I can fit 9 pairs of earrings in one box. The empty slot is the ones that I have on. So I want to see if this was the only one they had, but I want to see if I can find more of these, because this would be great for organizing earrings, necklaces, anything really. But they didn't come empty. They came with plastic containers inside them, and I've already started using those. You know the LA Colors loose pigments or loose eyeshadows that they sell? Well, the containers of those are horrible. If you know, you know. So I got out some wire cutters yesterday, and I depotted the 3 that I have and put them in the little containers that came in that box. So I am wearing Snow White as my face highlighter today, and I have Lollipop, the pink one, on my lids. And then the other color I have, just in case you're curious, is Grape Jelly is the purple one. So yeah, there are videos on YouTube showing you how to do that if you hate those containers and you don't reach for those because of it. It's very simple to depot those, and those containers fit one little bottle of pigment perfectly. And I just peeled the label from the original container off and stuck it on the cover. So now I have some more containers for my pigments. Okay, and the last thing that's not makeup that I want to show you, I've actually had it for a while now, but I keep forgetting to show you. This is a shopping basket, and this is a basket like what you would see at a store. This is in the $3 section at Dollar Tree. And I use this to organize things for my videos. So what is in this basket right now? These are all things that I have purchased over the course of the last month or so that I have not used in a video yet. So this way I know what I've done videos with and what I haven't. It just makes it easier for me to keep track of. And then I just keep it on the floor under my desk here. So those are all the non-makeup things that I wanted to show you. And now on to the good stuff. Okay, this first thing that I'm going to show you, I've wanted to try this for a long time, but I could never get my shade. It is the Candy Mayo BB Beauty Benefit Cream. And I finally found it in shade light because all the stores that I go to, the only shade they have is dark. But I finally found this one container at a store in the shade light, and this is all that I am wearing on my face today. Now, you know me, I'm a full coverage person, but I thought it was so pretty just on its own that I just did not want to put anything else on top of it. So that's all I have on. So I was shocked that I love this as much as I did because I've tried things by this brand before and honestly did not care for them. So this is the first product I've tried by Candy Mayo that I like. And I don't just like it. I love this. I think it looks beautiful on my skin. The color match is perfect, and it gives you just enough coverage that you don't have to put anything else over it. So very happy to have that. Now the next things that I'm going to show you just came out at Dollar Tree yesterday, and I saw them and I was like, oh, I don't know, I don't know. So I went home and I did some research and then went back today and got them. And what they are the Maybelline green lipsticks and tinted lip balms. Now, these all launched about a year ago, and it's Maybelline's clean line. They call it Maybelline Green. They had, at my Dollar Tree, they had 5 shades of the lipsticks, and they had 4 shades of the tinted lip balms. Now, the number one ingredient in all these is castor oil. So castor oil makes these products go on your lips smooth, and yeah, it's moisturizing, but the downside is it tastes like castor oil. So it's kind of a nasty taste, but it goes away after a while. You know, you notice it when you first apply it, but then it kind of goes away. But that's the only downside. So let me show you what I got. So it says Maybelline Green Edition Buttercream Lipstick. So the first one is number 10, Lagoon. And this is what I am wearing on my lips right now. The lipstick itself does not match the stripe on the container perfectly. Like, see, look at that stripe and then look at the lipstick. So the lipstick is actually darker than what they show you on the package. But they're very creamy, they glide right on. These were originally, I think, around $8 when they launched a year ago at regular stores. So you can get them now for $1.25. Like I said, my store had 5 shades, so I don't know if there's more shades out there, but the next one is number 5, and it's called Rainforest. And this is a red, and I'm going to show you the lipstick and the packaging just so that you can get an idea of what I'm talking about as far as the colors go. And then the next one is number 8. It's called Floral. Look at the difference there. So this is like a peach, I would say. But boy, does that look different on the packaging or what? But this is definitely a peach. And then I have number 1, which is called Ecliptic. And this is the deepest, darkest burgundy. This does match the packaging. But look how dark that is. Wow. Gonna do some goth style makeup with that one. And then the last one is number 18, and it's called Musk. And this is a red. So those are the shades of buttercream lipsticks that I got. Now there are 4 tinted lip balms, and this is what those look like. So these are like tall, long sticks. So the first one, which is number 1, is called Midnight. And this one, the color is printed right on the package, so you'll be able to see whether that matches or not. That matches pretty good. And I did try this on in the car after I bought it. And these are not as pigmented as the lipsticks, but they're nice though. And you could always layer something else over it if you wanted to. Or you could leave it in your purse to throw on for something easy. And then number 2 is Bonfire. So Bonfire is a red. It looks to be a little bit darker than the packaging is showing it. And then we have number 4, which is called Flare. And this is a orange, I guess you'd say. It's a good summertime color. Number 5 is called Spring, and you know, spring just started, so how appropriate is that? And this is like a hot pink, I would say, or a fuchsia. And you might notice that I have nothing on my nails and that my nails are pretty much gone. They had gotten so long that I just couldn't do anything anymore because they had gotten so crazy long. So one of them had broken. I had to file it down. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to start over. So last night I took the polish off and I filed them all down. So we're starting over again. So I'll probably just leave them naked for a few days. Okay, so anyways, these lipsticks and tinted lip balms, yeah, you need these. $1.25 a piece. Very moisturizing, fun colors, go on like a dream. And look how beautiful they make your lips really shiny. And my lips have been very dry lately, so this is perfect timing to have these lipsticks that have castor oil in them. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. If you did, you know what to do. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.